For these types of problems, you have to change the word form into the standard form. So let's look at the directions. Change the word form, and word form is just a way to represent the numbers using only words, and you're going to change it into standard form, which is the way to show a number using digits and places, and it's the most common way to write numbers. So to change word form into standard form, think about that rhyme we learned. No number's too hard to read when you think about them in groups of 3, thousands, millions, billions. When you look at the words in the problem, first off, look for those comma words, thousand, millions, and billions. So here's million, and here's thousand. This will help you put the numbers in groups of 3. So everything that comes before million, before the word million, is going to go into that period. And everything that comes after the word million, but before the word thousand, is going to go in the second period. And then the last period is what's left. So when we look at this, we can just read it now. 303. 303. And all you're going to do is write the standard form, the digits, that mean 303. The million is going to be the comma. Now we can look at the second period, 461. So we're going to write that number, 461, and the thousand, comma. And what's left is 62. Finally, I'm just going to make sure that the comma words line up. Remember, the first comma word should be thousands, then millions, and then billions if we had it. So thousands and millions. So I want to make sure it is 303 million. 303 million, 461,000, 461,000. So let's look at another example. So when you're first starting to change from word form into standard form, look for those comma words, thousands, millions, billions. So there's million. I'm just going to underline it. And there's thousand. And that's it. Now I'm going to go back and circle everything before the comma words, because that would be the digits that were in that period. Okay, when you're finished circling your periods, you just go back and convert them from words into digits by reading what's in each circle. 757, 757, 757, comma, 637, comma, 444. Okay, and now the last step is to go back and check your comma words. So remember, the comma words always go thousand, million, and billion would be over here. So I want to go back and check and make sure that I got the periods right. So 757 million, 757 million. 637,000, 637,000. 444. If you're still not comfortable, go back and rewatch the video. Good luck!